Welcome back to Task Force Offroad, guys. My name is George. In this episode, we're going to be installing the steering stabilizer bracket on my Yeti HD Steersmarts track bar. Now, this track bar is larger than most track bars. It is an 1.75 inches around, so it's quite difficult to find a bracket that fits it. So I had to buy the Steersmarts bracket. I did find one other one, but it was made out of steel and not aluminum, and that bar's aluminum, so I didn't want the dissimilar metals to then, what's it called? I can't think. Words are difficult. I didn't want them to corrode together. That's what it is. So, I'm mid rebuild of my track bar, which did not go as planned. So my track bar is already out, but to do this installation, you're going to need to remove the bolt on the axle side of your track bar. It is a 21mm bolt and has a flag nut in the back. Now I'm going to be replacing that bolt with Synergy's bolt. This guy's about 20 bucks, really easy. And then this is gonna secure the steering stabilizer to that as well. So we're gonna get into it. And then turn the wheel, I think, to the driver's side.
Are you gonna need another alignment for this?
No. Just a hair. Wait, that's good.
That's good?
Yep, it just needed a little bit. Okay. If you guys don't know this trick yet, I hate when I get anti-seize on me. If you guys don't know this trick yet, if your track bar bolt on your axle side is not lining up, just wiggle your steering wheel a little bit. You should be able to get that guy right where you need it to be. Make sure your measurements are good on your track bar though. Now, to install our steering stabilizer, what you need to do is you want to start from the steering wheel turned all the way to the passenger side. What that's going to do is that's going to simulate the smallest this is possibly going to be, and then we're going to attach it to the track bar, and then once it's attached to the track bar, we can then go and attach it to the clamp and figure out where our clamp needs to be on the tie rod. Alright, to run this factory stabilizer, I'm gonna need to drill out the bushing. Oh, are you freaking kidding me? Now, once she's all drilled out, alright guys, before we go ahead and fully install our stabilizer, make sure we tighten up that track bar and get that in its final position. So I'm gonna zip this guy on and then we're gonna torque it to 130 foot-pounds. All right, so now we can go ahead with this drilled out and put our stabilizer on. And once that's on, then take our bolt from Synergy, put that bolt back through, tighten her all down, we'll be good to go. Make sure it's got clearance on everything. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. There's not much to say about it because we just installed a steering stabilizer bracket. I started this video saying I was rebuilding my track bar. Well, that didn't work out, so I got a new track bar. So you'll see that in the next video. We're swapping track bars. Another super simple video, but we're doing mods to the Jeep again, so we're putting it back in there. I'm trying a new track bar, so we'll see which one I like better. I'm kind of curious myself, but no. I like the high clearance stabilizer mounts. It helps out. We hit a little bit of dirt last night, if you can see. And man, that undercoat gets sticky. Very, very soft dirt. It was in a little like construction site thing, and long story short, couldn't see it. It was not the driveway. Whatever, not a big deal. But that is all for today's video, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third date. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt, but you're